Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to program a 2008 GMC Yukon key fob. Park, close doors, and keep all fobs handy before beginning the procedure. I'll guide you through ignition cycles, precise button presses, and timing cues to enter programming mode successfully. Follow the sequence slowly and test each fob after programming. I also cover troubleshooting tips so you can resolve common issues and confirm locks and alarm respond. Start by sitting in the driver's seat with doors closed and fobs ready. Use the working key to cycle the ignition exactly as described to trigger programming mode. When prompted, press the lock and unlock buttons on each fob with steady timing until the door locks pulse. Complete the final key cycle to lock in the programming and test each remote. If a fob fails, repeat steps or try fresh batteries and retry. Quick recommendation if you're spending time in your car. Grab Little Tree's black ice to keep the interior smelling great while you work on keys. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. It really helps. I've put the product link and other deals in the description below so you can find it easily. Thanks for that, and now let's get back to the video. If programming fails, stay calm and start by checking batteries in each fob and ensuring the working key operates the locks. Repeat the ignition cycle slowly, allowing a full second between position changes so the system registers inputs. Try programming one fob at a time and confirm each remote by testing lock, unlock, and panic functions. If repeated attempts fail, consider visiting a locksmith or dealer for advanced diagnostics and reprogramming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.